Welcome to Tech World for Kids. We are going to create some games together using an app. The name of the app is ScratchJr. You will need a tablet or a phone to install this app. I have a tablet here. If you are using Samsung tablet or other Android devices, you will need to go to Play Store. If you are using iPhone or iPad, you will go to App Store. Please take note, ScratchJr is not available on laptops. So we'll tap Play Store. I will search for ScratchJr. Okay, Scratch is you want to scratch when you feel itchy. It's the same scratch. And we type JR for Junior. So search for ScratchJr. You can see it's here. There's a very cute cat here. Okay, so click Install. Accept. It's now installing. Now the installation has finished. We can click Open. Okay. First, it asks you where you are using ScratchJr. So you are using it in school, at home, or at other places. We'll just click Home. Two buttons here, Home and question mark. So click Home. Because this is a new app, we haven't created anything yet. So there are only two things. The plus is for you to create a new game, and this ribbon is for you to access your recent projects. Okay, so we'll click plus. Okay, now we are ready to create a new game. See you around in the next video.